Hey guys, what's up? Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently purchased online, and I was looking for a dry shampoo and I thought this was interesting. It's chlorine and it has like a natural tint to it. It's a dry shampoo. So it's really nice, works very well. It's a dry shampoo made with oat milk, gentle formula for brown to dark hair, and it cleans hair without water. This is the 50 milliliter travel size. I always purchase travel size so I could try stuff out and then see like later on if I like it, then I'll order the larger size. So I want to start out by saying I really like it. They're a little bit of Klorane's brand story really quick. It's a hair and face care products that they make. It's formulated with innovative, safe, and efficient plant-based ingredients while respecting and preserving nature, which I really like. I like their brand story a lot. And then, like I said, it's for darker shades of hair. It just stores volume, saves time and water, and extends the life of blowouts, which is really nice. The oat milk is for all hair types. From France, it's from organically farmed oat milk. It's clinically shown to soothe and protect hair and maintain the natural balance of the scalp. Nettle for oily hair, another ingredient, is from Portugal. Nettle is known for its refining, restorative, and sebo-regulating properties. So the dry shampoo with oat milk natural tint, specifically formulated for darker shades of hair with natural mineral pigments. The beige shade blends invisibly into hair, which I have to say, yes, it does, but I'd almost rather it not be tinted for the reason that I feel like I have to like go ahead and like blend it in. It's just, I'd rather not have to do that. So I'd rather it just not be tinted, because it's like, I remember once I like sprayed it all over like the top of my scalp. I didn't really overdo it with the spraying, but that's where my hair will get oily, which that's most people. It gets oily at the top scalp. And I sprayed it all over and my husband's like, your scalp is orange. And I'm like, what? So I actually, while we're on that topic, I just want to show you guys real quick. I'm going to spray a little on myself so you can see kind of how it comes out. You guys see? It has a pleasant smell. I don't know what oat milk smells like, but if I had to guess, I think it would smell like this product. It smells very fresh and clean. So like the color to me, like that I just showed you guys, I feel like it almost looks like a light foundation, and I just would rather, and then it's like it does blend invisibly, but then you really got to rub it, which you're supposed to rub dry shampoo anyway, but I feel like it just requires a little bit of extra rubbing to really make sure you get that color out. And then I'm like paranoid, and I'm like, did I get the color out, or did I leave some of the color in there? And I mean, mostly it's like blended in, but you guys get what I'm saying. It's a great product. Just the only drawback for me is I don't really like the fact that it has that color. So I'd probably just get the regular dry shampoo next time with oat milk, and that'll solve that problem. It cleans hair in minutes. It rids excess dirt, oil, and odor, extends life of blowouts and hair color, instantly adds volume and texture. The ultra fine powder is really great for lapping up that oil. It's made with botanical-based ingredients and suitable for the most sensitive scalp. Free from parabens, silicones, sulfates, and sodium chloride. It's vegan, hypoallergenic. It's always nice to get a product that does not test on animals as well. It was featured in US Weekly. Klorane launched its first dry shampoo in 1971. Since then, Klorane has become an award-winning leader in dry shampoo, with one bottle being sold every 9 seconds around the world, which is definitely a game changer and really cool. The regular size bottle, I should say, is 3.2 ounces, 1.8 by 1.8 by 6.9 inches. And I think right now it's just shipped in the US. I don't know if it has domestic shipping, depending. I guess you could get it from a few different places, but yeah, just to let you know. So I think this is definitely a really great dry shampoo, one of the best. Heavy stuff, so you do actually need to give yourself time to let it sit in your hair and brush it out, but it is really awesome and pretty residue free as well. So I think it's really awesome that it cleans hair without water. And I think, like I said, just the only drawback is like the color is like this that comes out in your hair. I feel like if it's for a darker brunette, it would, like, this is more suited for a blonde to me, or someone who has really light brown hair rather than someone who's a brunette. I have like a medium brown to dark brown hair, and I think that it just needs to be a little bit darker. The tint should be a little darker for a brunette. And I love the way it smells, and it doesn't leave my hair feeling chalky at all. But yeah, I'd probably recommend this more for someone who's blonde if you're gonna get this natural tint. If you're brunette or anything, just get the regular one and rub it in real good. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. Thanks guys, go try some Klorane dry shampoo.